Hey guys, Joseph with ABC Sewing and my helper Jenna.
Hi, I'm Jenna.
Okay, so today we're going to be covering how to separate your rotary hook on the single needle machine. Reasons why you would have to separate your hook. If you have a broken needle and all of a sudden after that break, your machine is stuck and you can't turn the hand wheel, most likely a little piece of that needle got wedged inside of your hook. Okay, so right in front of us we have a used hook that we'll be working with. We have a tiny little screwdriver. Okay, this is a SC2 screwdriver, very small. This is normally what we use for the bobbins, the bobbin case, tension adjustment, or just a little bit better one. Just a shorter one, a little bit thicker head. Okay, as long as any screwdriver that's able to get these little tiny screws here. So go ahead and I'm going to have Jenna show you which screws that we have to disassemble. Okay, so right here on this small side, okay, we have 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so if you kind of rotate this all the way around, on the hook where we did the damage repair, we were working with this lip right here. No need to take this lip off. We're working with the smaller lip. Okay, the smaller little rail that's holding in this inner basket. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to disassemble it. Let's take a look here. So with my small screwdriver, we're going to get these little tiny screws. Okay, make sure you have a nice little tray or something or a towel because these are super tiny. And if you're taking these off while the hook is still on, these will start flying out everywhere. Okay, so that was the first screw. We're going to get the second one. We have the second screw. There you go. And then this third one. Okay, so once we have all the screws, make sure you have a nice little dish or something so they don't fly around everywhere. Thank you, Jenna. Okay, so now we have this lip off. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this lip. Okay, so that is off. Now we are working with this inner basket. Now, if you kind of look at this hook or this inner basket, you see this little lip, this little rail with the little indents. This whole channel here, depending on what position your needle breaks and what position it's stuck in, sometimes you're not going to be as lucky as having your rail open like this to remove out. Okay, so it depends on, you might have to force it. It is stuck already, so there's limited stuff that you're able to do. But inside here on the other side of the hook, you have another channel where this lip or this rail kind of slides in between. Okay, so obviously right now the rail is already inside of the inner hook, which is preventing me from pulling this out. If I keep on rotating, I want to expose as much of that rail as possible so it's easier for me to slide this whole assembly out, just like so. Okay, so I'm going to show you the channel where that lip goes inside. Right here, you can see how it's, you have the front and back. That's where the rail is holding onto. Okay, you wanna get this rail or this lip outside of this area so it'll pop out a lot more easier. Okay, so once you separate this, you should be able to find your broken needle. It's normally wedged in between these little channels, or you'll just see it kind of inside or anywhere within that channel. Okay, so after you found the damaged piece of needle, just go ahead and clean all this excess dust off. Now to put it back in, we want to kind of get this beginning of the lip on the inner basket to kind of start sliding inside that channel underneath the hook, underneath the point of the hook. Okay, so you just want to kind of line that up, just like that. And then you'll it's kind of at an angle, and we're kind of twisting it as it's going inside that channel here. Okay, so I'll do it again. So this little beginning of the rail or the lip is going to kind of slide right in there first at an angle. And if you get it right, this whole inner basket just kind of drops in place. Now the lip is inside of the channel. We're unable to pull this out, so we could go ahead and make sure it's smooth going all the way around. And then at this point, we're going to go ahead and put that little outer lip that holds everything in back in place with those 3 screws. Okay, so after you clean everything, get rid of the broken needle. We're just gonna put it right back in. If I could get those 3 screws. Okay. And you don't want to tighten one screw all the way down tight first. You want to kind of evenly spread out the tension between all 3 screws. Okay, so just kind of keep it just snug before we crank these down after. Sometimes if you have a little magnet, I would probably magnetize your screwdriver first. Okay, so we're not going to do it tight. Just make sure all 3 screws are in. Okay, now once we have that, you want to go ahead and recheck and make sure that it's spinning nice and freely. Okay, and then once you have that, you can go ahead and start snugging these down one by one. Okay, obviously you want this very tight. You got to be careful because we're working with very small screws and screwdrivers now. Okay, nice and secure. Okay, now you have disassembled your hook, cleaned the needle out that normally causes the jam, and got your machine back up and running. Very simple process. Just a little time consuming, a little tedious, but definitely something everybody should know how to do. Okay, so hopefully this helps. I got to thank my good old helper here. So yeah, make sure to subscribe. We'll be making a whole bunch of more videos for you on how to repair your machine and just the know-how on repairing your machine and the single needle in general. Okay, hope this video helps, guys. Take care.